Good afternoon, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, coming at you on this very gloomy, rainy day with assignment number 39 of Margarete Miller's. We need something noisy, and I thought I could maybe use these. I was thinking about using them on here and change my mind. So they make noise, they're noisy. A written personal goal or ambition, I can do that later. Tree with leaves that are not green, so I thought this was a cute little calendar background. Could be a cute background from a calendar. Text in a foreign language. This is Portuguese. Something I'm thankful for, which I don't have here yet, and a color I don't use often, and that would be red and orange. This has red and orange stripes, and this is just red polka dot. I'm kind of thinking it's going to be this, though. Or maybe both, I don't know. But I was thinking of, like, putting this... I'll probably cut that circle off, although you can't really see it that much. And then maybe a triangle here and a triangle here of this. Actually, I am going to cut that off. Let's do that. And then somehow I will manage to write on... I need something... I might coffee dye this. I'm not going to use all of it. Probably just... I don't want the phone number in it, really. So there. And, yeah, that would be something I can put on there. That would work. And we also have to cut off some of this way. So, and actually this is going to go on this side. I should be doing that. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy. We went grocery shopping this morning, early before it started raining. That's going to have to go up like that. And maybe have to cut off a little bit of this. I may end up needing to use the other paper because I didn't think that through too well. What's the weather like where you are? Yeah, I don't want to cover up all those trees, so let's do this. There, that's pretty good. Something like that, maybe. We have our instruments, which are noisy. And I realize that this is probably the top. That's probably the thing you blow in. There we got that. We'll have this coffee dyed. And then I need to... What was it? A personal goal and something I'm thankful for. Okay, so I need some paper to write that on. And I'm thinking maybe I can just write it right down here. I just have to figure out what they are. Alright, so I believe I have all of my stuff that I need to glue down, and I did coffee dye that, and I dried it, and now I'm going to just kind of glue this down. And I'm going to just put the glue right on the paper behind it, I think. So, yeah. Alright, so I've got this glued down, and I'm wondering how your Saturday is going. I hope you're having a great day. What's your weather like, if I haven't already mentioned that before? And if you have a personal goal or ambition that you would like to share, or something that you're thankful for, leave it in the comments down below. So, one of the things that I am thankful for is the changing leaves on the trees. So, I think I should have moved that up a little bit. Well, that's it. Oh, I also had been thinking about inking around it in orange, which is something I don't very often do, and I forgot. So, let's put that here. And yeah, so I'm thankful for the autumn colors. And I don't know if this counts as a personal goal or ambition, but I would like to... The leaves haven't really changed that much here, but what I would like to do is go on a autumn leaf drive. So, I got this glued down, and now I'm going to glue the instruments down, and it's been a busy day. I keep getting interrupted by one thing or another, but anyway, do you know what this instrument is called? Because I don't. We're going to just kind of put it right like this here. Is that, it's not a tuba, is it? Or French horn? I don't know. I don't know my instruments. I was never allowed to play an instrument because my older sister played the clarinet for a few years and then she quit. So anything that my older sister quit doing, I wasn't allowed to start because I would also just quit, they said. So I never had much of an opportunity to do a lot of things, like Girl Scouts for one thing. And instruments. Alright. So, and now I just have to write down my personal goal and something that I'm thankful for. So, my personal goal is going to be to go on an autumn leaf drive. And I'm just going to write it in here. What is your personal goal? Like I mentioned before, leave it in the comments if you feel like sharing. Alright, so go on an autumn leaf drive, and I am thankful for I didn't do that very well. I am thankful for autumn leaves. Okay, so let's make sure I've got everything, all the prompts. We have something noisy, a personal goal or ambition, trees that are not with leaves that aren't green, text in a foreign language, something I'm thankful for, and the color that I don't use very often is red and orange. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in my new envelope that I made the other day. And we'll be ready for number 40 next week. I hope you'll come back. I hope you'll also check out some of my other videos. I do junk journaling, glue booking, personal journaling. If you haven't seen this, this is my personal memory keeping journal for the summer, and it might last me into October a little bit because let's see, I got a few more days in this, a few more pages in this signature, and then I have a whole nother signature here, so it may last me until into October. So this is what I wrote about my son and husband's birthday, and you know, I'll give a whole personal, I will give a whole flip through. I can't talk today. I'm going to give a complete flip through of this when I'm done with it, but as you may know or may not know, I cover up pictures of my family and friends that I put in here. I don't show their faces. So anyway, so this was today. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.